Hey guys, so this I'm going to show you my creativity with drawing and how I did my bracelets. I don't know. Bracelets and drawings and stish. I mean shit. Aha! Off of the rocks right now. Okay, so these right here, these ones, these ones. Right there. I did these myself, and this one too. It's pretty, huh? And I'll show you some of my artwork too. Drew Rainbow Dash from My Little Pony. She's cute, isn't she? Rainbow Dash. And then I also drew Applejack from My Little Pony. He's so cute. And oh, my portfolio open. We got this. We got this with a little poem that says, "Why call a rose by any other name? Why is it that after love is only pain?" And one of my many poems I have. And then I got this, which is one of those kind of drawings to a song that you do, creative drawing. My heart's stereo, it beats for your solace. Never mind. Hands, it's pretty, I guess. This one sucks, but oh well. But it says, no two hands are alike and no two hands speak the same language. But if you find someone whose hands fit perfectly in yours, hold it tight and never let go. It's cute. I make the sweetest things. Oh, one of my roses. Pretty. It says, roses are red, violets are blue, candy is sweet, and so are you. A random bird I do. It's like one of those angry birds, just like bleh. This is one of my drawings, and I have a bunch of writing all over it, but I'm not gonna read everything. And it says missing you at the top. Missing you. One of my drawings of an emo sitting on a flower. Yeah. Got another emo sitting at the bed, and then presents. No, not presents, boxes, because she knew. And then a self-portrait to one of the pictures that I had of me. It's pretty good. Came out good. Thought it would be shit, but actually pretty. A parrot. Pretty parrot. A girl. And it says, the girl you thought you knew changed that point of view. Bunch of mushrooms and stuff. Oh, this is another one of those kind of drawings. The ones with writing. This is a quote from Elvis. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Little things I should have said and done, just never took the time, and you were always on my mind. It's cute. So I had to do it. Dinosaurs. It says, Rar means I love you. Dinosaur. Then my penguin. Snowballs and stuff. It's great for the season because it's gonna be Christmas in a month. Exactly. And I just started dating this guy, Doug, and I like him. I dated him before, but I wanted our anniversary to be on Christmas, so I was like, screw it. That's a plan. Like this, saying, I am falling in love with you. Cute. Another one of my roses. A fallen angel. Kind of look and thing. A bird. A bird. Two people holding hands. And it says, no, never mind, that's a personal poem I wrote. Another rose. Here we go. And cowhead. Just want to do a few quick ones because I'm running out of time. There you go. A chick. Two people kissing. Random fairy. Something old that I made for an ex-boyfriend. He dumped me. It was last year. Oh well. Oh well. Tree with a heart hanging off of it. Fallen angel. And that wraps this shit up. We're good. So, hope you have a nice day.